So after 2 days of branding workshop, I'm feeling pretty knackered, to be honest. There's been a lot of searching, thinking, and putting a lot of things into perspective. Been tiring, but pretty inspiring.
I think it's been really nice to see the team coming together and to have kind of this co-creation part in the process. I think that's going to give people a sense of ownership, attaches them more to the business. It's going to make my life more easy in terms of explaining why we might be doing something or not.
Workshop helps the company, I think, through alignment. It's super important that everyone's pointing and running in the same direction with the same core.
We've struggled because of indecision, and so I think we can be decisive. And I recognise that we've got to embark on this iterative process, and you need to have the confidence to make decisions to really get that going.
The experience I've had with other agencies has been a little bit more surface, a little bit more salesy, and the sort of end result. This has sort of taken it right back to the foundation and the core essence of purpose and value, and having it so close together and getting that feedback so quick means that there's much more likelihood of us being able to activate and drive forward from it.